Guys, I'm so excited na nasi-share ko to sa inyo kasi dati walang way to do it. Okay guys, i-unbox na natin siya. So, eto, ginawa ko to before. So, may salt dyan sa gitna. Pwede mo yan. Kasi ang sarap ng food nila dito. Isipin mo, konti pala yung nakuha ko. What more kung mas marami pa. Grabe. Here, back then. And talagang must go talaga. Here, Toyo Sumanyo. So, ito yung parang entrance for car. Kasi, nagpahatid na lang ako. Entrance niya will go up. Ito na, day 1. Excited, guys. Grabe. Nag-overdose ako ng mga vitamins. Baka you feel na yung boses ko weird. I think allergies are acting up. So, nag-ano rin ako. JP, buti lang may dala ako laging cetirizine. So, JP asked me to take. JP, by the way, is my brother. Sabi niya, take muna tayo ng cetirizine for 5 days. Let's see kung kamusta. Guys, eto na yung room dito sa Toyo Sumanyo. Di ba nakapunta na tayo dito before? But this will be the first time na magsastay tayo. So, we were in the 8th floor kasi may mga big rooms dito. And then, pakita ko sa inyo, we're here at room 801. Okay. So, ito yung pagpasok mo. First things first, etong cabinet guys, this one, pang store ng mga luggage. Dito ko siya tinago. Parang basic storage area siya. Diba? Like everything that you want to store, pwede mo siya itapo. Or itago mo dyan. On the other side naman, dito is your bathroom. Hiwalay siya lahat. So, shower and your water closet is divided. Nandito yung mga towels mo, socks mo, washcloth, buds, tissue, hand soap, you have your cups, mugs, all your toiletries are also provided. Then, meron ka rin hair dryer here. Yung bathtub mo naman, guys, or bath, may bathtub cup plus cleansing milk, shaving foam, then you have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo as well. Then, on the flip side, nandito naman yung water closet mo. And, toto po siya. Automatic. Wala kayong problemahin kasi may bidet po tayo. And ang cute to, laging may slippers as well para malinis ang paa natin at malinis ang kubeta. Going on to the bedroom, guys. This is it. Oh. 2 double-sized bed, 2 double bed. You can sleep 2 people comfortably. Japan standard tayo. And then guys, nandito yung saksakan mo, USB ports, and of course your light as well, light switches. Thank you so much for this look. Medyo nakakatuwa. I'm so excited. And then you have your TV, di ba? And meron ka dito tatami na good for 4. Guys, tingnan nyo itong tatami room. Back, diba? Then kung gusto yung bumuksan, you'll see the room outside. Or the view outside. Now, ito lang difference dito, guys. Yung ito, hindi siya pwedeng i-up. Talagang ganyan talaga siya. If I'm not mistaken. Ay, pwede! And guys, look at the view outside. O, diba? Nandyan sa baba yung pwede yung kainan, maraming kainan, maraming pwede kayo i-shop. Oh my gosh, may plane spotting pa. Diba? Nandiyan rin yung Toyosu Market. So this is Toyosu Manyo. So, I'm telling you, nakapunta na ako dito back then. But this will be the first time staying here. And I'm excited kasi parang natutuwa talaga ako. Kasi alam ko maganda talaga siya. Like, na-enjoy ko talaga yung onsen. Masarap pa yung pagkain nila. Like, there's sushi, sashimi. Ang sarap talaga. So, my gosh, you could try it out. Check it out as well. And alam nyo naman, you can always get it via Klook if ever you want to. And may mga promo codes din ako dyan. I'm so excited. I will show you all of the different facilities on a different light naman for now. So yes, I'll see you. So guys, ito siya. Yung entrance mo here. Then before you go in, you have to put your shoes in the bag. Tapos ito yung entrance mo. Yung entrance mo here, then you can choose your own room. So guys, dito ka mamimili ng iyong outfit. So, ito for girls, lahat ng nandyan. And then yung guys mo will be nandito sa side na to. And then pwede kang mamili here ng damit mo as well. O, diba? So, Pwede ka mag-choose kung ano yung gusto nyo. Cute, diba? Pili-pili kayo ng outfit mo at attire mo kasi kailangan ka ganyan ka when you're going into the spa area. Importante yun. So guys, start na tayo sa fourth floor na tour. So, may mga rooms rin dito. Pero for example, meron siya dito yung mga massage. Like mga Chinese massages. And then here, may mga chair massage as well. Nakita niyo si Ivan. O diba? Cute ni Ivan. Parang bata. Ang cute oh. Free ang hot tea mo dito at saka cool tea, o diba? Fifth floor naman, dito yung mga dinner area mo as well. And then later dyan tayo party. Ayan, nag-prep na for later. Pero dito ko kumain dati. Baka hindi nyo nakita yung vlog. Pero dito kumain kami dati. Sixth floor na to. Kasi hindi ko na pwede ipasok to because ito na talaga siya, cap na to. So basically, enjoy. Yan yung onsen sa loob. Pero maganda to. Na-try ko na siya last year. Papakita ko. Ito oh. Meron siyang ganyan. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Hi, Maltrad! Guys, yung last mo na floor will be your rooftop foot bath. As in, ito na yun. Makikita ko na to ng in its full glory ng liwanag kasi dati gabi na tayo nakapunta. So now, maliwanag na siya. You can get your towels. Ito yun, no? Maganda dito. As in, complete view. And guys, 360 talaga siya. Yan guys, ito rin yung other side mo. And what's nice about it, kita mo yung buong Tokyo skyline here. Ayan siya. Ay, hindi na ako magululublob, pero yun yung maganda. Diba? Kanya no? Oh. Bongga. Okay guys, so 5:30 na. We're gonna get the look. Ito. So we're going to the party kasi 5 o'clock siya mag-start. Gusto ko medyo mongo pa rin yung boses ko. It's okay. This goes so wonderfully with my black outfit. Cute. Let's go. One by one. Guys, lahat sila dyan na Senzon, si JM, Min, Ivan, Chuck and Joe, Alves, and of course si Mars. ang hinhin ko pala magsalita. Si Archie nandyan.
Gomenasai.
Ayan na, we're going. Ito na guys. So hanapin ko pa yung akin.
Papasok na ba tayo, hindi pa?
No. So J ako. Hindi sa... Ayan, I see it. Ayan. Ito na yung ID. And then meron pa siya. Oh my gosh, guys. Tignan nyo. Ang cute. Look at it.
So you have to order, fill it out first and then order.
Hi.
Jerry or Emily.
Hi.
So let's pick. Ano yung gusto ko? Nigiri, tempura, orange, syempre. Mystery surprise. Ito muna. Let's see.
Okay, perfect. We will start off with some nigiri.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Chef.
It's big knife. And then on order lovely stuff.
Oh my gosh, ang cute.
And emoji as well. Lovely choice. Let's get it all synced. Perfect. And I'll have a look at your front of this.
Oh my gosh, give me a sec. Plate, it's the orange one.
Pick a blind box.
Oh my gosh. Let's pick this one.
Party. Good.
Thank you. Okay guys, i-unbox na natin siya. So you have your IDs. And then ito yung kanina natin ginawa, di ba? And then look, I got ito yung isa, which is your pop socket. Ang cute! And then, ito yung sticker box mo. Yung pinili mo, di ba? Which is like your sushi, tempura, and then mochi. Ah, cute!
Group 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And then, ito yung parang blind box. Which is pop socket. So, ididikit ko siya here.
Hindi lang, hindi niya kaya. I need my phone.
Ididikit pala siya here. Ganon.
Hindi
Ididikit
ako
siya
makapicture.
here. Cute.
That's the energy. We are looking for. Yes, and 2, 1, Chris! Alright! Who knows what that means? Who knows what that means? Do you know what I'm saying?
Okay,
Lupisa!
everybody wanna take a photo with
So cute!
Japanese style.
Cute.
Everybody wave hand. Konnichiwa.
Lupisa is wearing the same.
So cute.
started the Two Creator program. The team already had a vision to bring together this global community of content creators. Like you guys here from all over the world.
Japan, representing Good Japan office, I just want to say thank you.
Now we're gonna start the tuna carving show. A special event for you all coming here from all over the world.
万葉クラブの隣にある世界最大級の魚市場でもある豊洲市場から35キロの長崎県産仕入れました。
Today we have a bluefin tuna from Nagasaki. In base of
どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。それではマグロの解体ショーをぜひお楽しみくださいませ。
the tuna carving show starts now.
じゃあ行きます。さあ、ではスタートしたいと思いますが、まず頭から落としていきます。
Guys, I have this before. And kasama yung mga drinks rin dito. Like, everything's included. Bibilisan ko lang kasi guys, mag-video na. As in, magsa-start na ng food. Hello! Ayan, yung mga food mo dyan for everything. So, nandiyan yung lahat. Even seafood guys, kasama lahat yan. Yung food natin guys. And one part muna ako kasi medyo maba yung pila. So later na lang ako kuha. And then I have my shabu-shabu.
Hello, fam!
Let's eat, Pam.
Hi, Jan! Hi, Jan!
Hello! Kain na! Ayan, I try. And we have the special sushi nga nila eh.
Wala naman yung kami. Ako kung para lang magkalab.
Gusto ko yung parang may jajangmyeon ketchup.
Diba?
Try do this, no. Because it will be blocked off for us. Only for us.
Daikimasu. Manata ng ramen.
Lang na.
Wala ba?
Wala. Ayan eh. Ito yung gusto ko ma-try kasi ito yung sushi na kanina, yung tuna na kinot, ito yun.
I like to guys, kung meron silang buffet dito, grabe.
Sarap.
Lahat ng kasi yung Japanese na pagkain, maaaring nandito.
Grabe.
Top. Anong ramen to? Yung soy base?
Oo, soy base.
Shio. Oo, meron doon.
Wala na
Hot
ako ng
pot.
sabaw. Ikuha mo na.
Go, nandun sa side na yun.
Go, meron pang hot pot doon.
Parang sarap din.
Go, kumuha na kayo.
Fish. Chicken.
Ikaw bahala. May pork. Gusto mo ba ako ka?
Make kanin. Sushi. Ano nga yung explanation nito doon sa sushi making mo? Sushi to pareho.
Chicken.
Tama, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang pinagkaiba lang nila is, hindi tawag ko.
Malamang yung kalimutan ko.
Oo.
So last year guys, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog noon. Pero di ba dito rin kami kumain ng dinner after ng Team Labs Planet. Yun talaga favorite ko pa rin. Like, I really love the food here. Kaya sabi ko sa friend ko, the bestie ko na magsastay dito, sabi ko, kailangan mo kumain ng may dinner kasi ang sarap ng food nila dito. Isipin mo, konti pala yung nakuha ko. What more kung mas marami pa. Grabe.
Hapa.
So you really must try the food here. It's really good. So if nandito ka, go. So, I will eat muna. So guys, minix ko na lang yung beef din sa curry kasi walang laman yung curry niya. So, in-mix ko yung together. Para pag kumain ka, meron pa lang beef curry. Games na, guys.
Okay, looks like everyone is shuffling. We'll give you guys 10 seconds. Talking in the fruit market.
Ikaw rin naman eh. Tayo lang natutuwa eh. Hi, man! No need to eat, no need to eat. Galingan mo.
Okay, this is it. It has to start from your forehead. Remove your cap, anything that's blocking.
Guys, ito na naman, di ba? It's nighttime na ulit here. So, ito na makita natin. Medyo close nila for us here. So guys, it's usually not as maraming tao. Or mas marami tao usually. Pero, ang ganda talaga nito because it's really your nighttime view. Kitang-kita mo talaga lahat. And you love it talaga here. Kaya sabi ko, yung isang friend ko, sabi ko, no, you must go if you're in Tokyo. Ang ganda. So guys, just to share with you, we were given special privileges to show it to you. So on a normal day, wala ka ng mobile phones dito. But because we have privilege, pwede tayo mag-video dito. So ito yung mga locker rooms mo. And then afterwards, di ba, pag nakita mo dito yung mga shower, yung parang mga freshen up area mo as well. So ganito yung mga itsura niya. So ganyan, di ba? And then may restroom ka rin. And then, diba, ang dami mo mga parang cabinets, rooms. So you're gonna get the key And then dito ko mag-refresh. Last year, kung nakita niyo ako, ganito yung exactly na pinuntahan ko. Now we're given special privilege just to be able to see it. So do note na hindi po pwede itong ginagawa natin. But because today we were given special privilege, pwede natin siyang gawin. And pwede ko mapakita sa inyo. And I'm so excited to show it with you. So if you're gonna see it here, guys, lahat to bawal. Again, this is special privilege lang that we were allowed to give. Pwede kayo uminom ng water nyo as well. And yes, may water ka rin here before you enter the bath. So if you're gonna enter the bath, ganito siya. So guys, if you're gonna see it, ganito po yung itsura nito. Again, we're given special privileges here. Hindi po to yung normal na nakikita nyo. Hindi po pwede itong mga ginagawa natin. So ito po yung hot bath, no? Ito po siya, di ba? Everything here that you see, nandito po siya lahat. Dito po kayo magsha-shower. So if ever, dito unang ginagawa when you're showering, dito muna una. So dapat dito kayo magsha-shower. So guys, when you go into an onsen, dito una, nagsha-shower ka dito, di ba? So yung shampoo mo, conditioner, lahat dyan nandyan. And then dito umuupo ka, tapos nagsha-shower ka dito with your chair. Guys, do note ha, again, this is something that we were given, guides here. Usually, hindi po ito pwede. Hindi po pwedeng mag-video, hindi rin pwedeng nakikita yung mga tao. So, yes, kubad talaga dito. As in talagang kubad. Talagang, alam ko hindi tayo nasasanay. Pero, ganito talaga sila dito. For me, it's something that I've done. I've done like twice, thrice. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pag nandito naman, alam naman nila na ito talaga yung ginagawa. And then, pwede ka na mag-bath here. Diba, ganun yung cold. Yung hot bath nyo dito. Uupo ka. And then, of course, you also have your dry sauna here. So, yes, ito itsura ng dry sauna nila here. Guys, ang ganda rin, no? Sobrang, naman, multi-level. So, dito guys, meron kang salt sauna mo. Ito, ginawa ko to before. So, may salt dyan sa gitna. Pwede mo yan, ano yan. If ever, oh my gosh, papasok na ako. Sorry. So, may salt dyan. Pwede mo gawin yan as well. And then guys, ito naman, outdoor bath mo. So yes. Guys, tingnan mo yung outdoor bath. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo yung skyline mo here. Kaya sabi ko talaga, if ever nandito ka, kailangan nyo gawin to. As in, it's something that you have to experience, something you have to see. Diba? Guys, toyo, sumanyo. I mean, I went here back then, and talagang must go talaga. Guys, I'm so excited na nasa-share ko to sa inyo kasi dati, walang way to do it. But now, they were able to get, let's say, closed door experience para sa inyo na parang, oh my gosh, makikita nyo talaga siya. Kasi hindi natin ito nakikita na normal day. Walang pwedeng videos, ganon. So, eto na talaga siya. So, this is the outdoor. Kung nakita nyo si Archie yan. Diba? Ano? Say hi. Si Archie yan.
안녕하세요.
Ayun, so ito yung bath mo. And then the view is really the city. Diba? City view talaga siya. Ang ganda. And then syempre warm yung bath mo dyan. It's like warm. And then papasok mo. Diba? Ito yung itsura mo. Then you can go in again. Remember ha, we have access. But normally, bawal po talaga. Hindi siya normally. Bawal talaga. Bawal talaga siya. And then ito will be your cold ba to? Yes, this is your cold water plunge. So usually, from hot, nagko-cold yung mga tao. So pwede ka mag-cold dito. Then you have your dry sauna. Ayan si AJ, nandito si AJ. And then meron kayong salt bath mo. Ito ginawa ko na. Hi, Andre. And then dito ka shower first. Basta laging shower first. And then pwede ka mag-plunge dito as well. Dito is hot din. Ayan si Marvs. Congratulate si Marvs sa kanyang new condo. And then syempre si Ivan natin, our favorite cute little Ivan. Ang cute, oh. Mag-sauna daw si Ivan mamaya eh. And then ito is, ano to? Korean style.
Rub massage.
Rub massage. Ito extra payment mo, hindi to free. So here you have your toothbrush rin, razor. This is your washcloth. And then this is for your hair. Hair to, di ba? Hair. Buhok, buhok.